TesStudio R8 rear entertainment screen for Model 3 and Model Y installation tutorial. Remove original rear AC trim cover. Unplug the connection. Remove bottom trim. Remove the 2 fixing screws from the center trim plate. Remove center trim. Take out the screen attachment cable. Remove the original main connector. Remove the attached main connector adapter cable. Switch the original connector. Take out the lead tool across the side of the seat base. Attach the lead wire and the seat adapter wire with tape. Thread the adapter wire through the base on the side of the seat with a lead. Same way through the other side. Untie the lead, threading is complete. Same with the other seat. Remove the seat power button side panel. Remove the original connector. Insert the attached conversion wire from the bottom. Switch the original power seat control. Restoring trim. Connect the connectors. And install R8 on the armrest box. Your R8 rear entertainment screen installation is complete.